Hey everybody, Dr. Hill here, and today we're going to talk about heartworm treatment in your dog.
All right, Dr. Hill, my dog has tested positive for heartworms. What are the next steps?
Yeah, so the next recommended step is going to be getting your dog set up for heartworm treatment. And there is a recommended protocol out there from the American Heartworm Society that we here at Advanced Animal Care and Advanced Animal Care Berea follow pretty strictly. And so your pet's definitely going to be on some oral medications, a lot of times steroids. We put your pet on steroids just to help reduce and prevent any inflammation that may be a result from the treatment or the death of the worms. We may also put your pet on some antibiotics, recommend doing some treatment, either x-rays or blood work, and then we schedule your pet for their serial injections of the heartworm treatment.
So what can I expect from my dog's veterinary visit?
Yeah, so it's going to be a pretty in-depth consult where we go through and explain everything, every step of the procedure. We'll get your pet on a heartworm preventative to kill the larval stage of that heartworm, the microfilaria, and then kind of walk you through. It's generally about a 6-month process from start to finish, and that doesn't mean that your dog's going to be in the clinic every day for 6 months straight, but it is a little bit of a lengthy process to get those heartworms treated.
So how many heartworm treatments will my dog need?
So we generally do a series of 3 injections. We start them on some oral medications prior to that first injection, and then we wait about a month between the second and third injections, and those second and third injections are given about 24 hours apart. And then from there, it's keeping your dog on a heartworm prevention, finishing out their oral medications, and just doing some things like activity restriction and stuff like that as your dog finishes out that treatment.
So can my dog die from heartworm disease?
They definitely can die from heartworm disease, and that's generally the end stage of that heartworm disease, and that's why we're so adamant about keeping your pets on heartworm prevention.
Will heartworm treatment cure my dog?
So a lot of times the answer to that is yes, it will cure your dog. It's very effective, but not everything's a guarantee, so we do our absolute best to make sure that they're cured, but every now and again we will have that odd case where we weren't as successful as we hoped.
All right, thank you.
You're so welcome.